स्टूडेंट, ये टॉपिक वैसे कल से चल रहा है, यानी लास्ट लेक्चर से। फंक्शंस ऑफ कॉमर्शियल बैंक या बैंक, इसके कुछ पॉइंट्स रह गए थे। जैसे नंबर ये है आपका परचेज एंड सेल ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज। द बैंक ऑल्सो कैरीज ऑन द बिजनेस of buying and selling foreign currencies. Some commercial bank, in addition to their other function, also do business in foreign exchange. स्टूडेंट नंबर F आता है फाइनेंसिंग इंटरनल एंड फॉरेन ट्रेड। द बैंक finances internal and external foreign trade through discounting of exchange rate. Sometimes the banks give short-term loans to traders on the security of commercial papers. This discounting business greatly facilitates the movement of internal and external trade. Student, बैंक्स का मेन फंक्शन ये भी है कि इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड के लिए फाइनेंस की व्यवस्था कराना, यानी लोन देना, विदेशों से व्यापार करने के लिए और अपने देश में भी व्यापार करने के लिए। स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट आता है देखिए इसके अदर फंक्शन ऑफ द बैंक्स, दे आर एज फॉलोज। नंबर फर्स्ट, सेफ custody of valuable goods. The modern banks provides locker facility to its customer. The customer can keep their valuables such as gold and silver ornaments, important papers, shares and debentures in these lockers. The bank charges an annual rent for this service. स्टूडेंट अपनी कीमती कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट या कोई भी ज्वेलरी, शेयर एंड डिवेंचर्स तो बैंक के लॉकर में रख सकते। ये सुविधा बैंक प्रोवाइड करती है अपने लॉकर में, और इस सुविधा के बदले में बैंक कुछ एनुअल चार्जेस वसूल करती है। लॉकर सुविधा में सेम उस लॉकर की दो चाबी होती हैं, एक चाबी बैंक मैनेजर के पास और दूसरी कस्टमर के लिए। ये लॉकर ओपन जब भी होता है जब दोनों चाबियां एक साथ लगेंगी तब। बैंक की सुविधा प्रदान करती है लॉकर सुविधा। नेक्स्ट, इशूइंग ऑफ ट्रैवलर्स चेकर।
स्टार्ट।
नेक्स्ट, इशूइंग ऑफ traveler checks. The banks also issue traveler check or circular letters of credit for the benefit of its customer. The customers are saved from bothersome and risk of carrying cash during travels. Next आता है giving information about its customers. Since the bank is closely acquainted with its customer, it can pass on reliable information about their credit worthiness to other parties at other place. Student, the businessmen often make use of their service to know about the credit worthiness of other parties at other place. Next, collection of statistics. The modern banks collect statistics about money, banking, trade and commerce, and publishers them in the form of pamphlets and handouts. This helps the bank customers in acquiring knowledge about the latest economic situation on the basis of which they can formulate their business policy. Next, underwriting of company debentures. Sometimes private companies issue debentures for public sale. If the debentures carry the signatures of a bank, the public would not hesitate in buying them. The underwriting these debentures, the bankers charge a small underwriting commission from the companies. Next, accepting bills of exchange. Sometimes the bank accepts exchange bills on behalf of their trusted customer. This benefit the customer because when the bank signifies in acceptance on the exchange bill. Next or last, giving advice on financial matters. Since the bank is fully acquainted with the economic situation in the country, it is in a position to render useful advice to its customers on financial matters. स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट आता है क्रिएशन ऑफ क्रेडिट. When a bank grants a loan to its customer, it generally does not lend out cash equal to the amount of the loan to the customer as an individual money lender does, but on the contrary opens in the account in his name and credits the amount of the loans to his customer. Last है student, fulfillment of socio-economic objective. The nationalized banks in India have framed special innovative schemes of credit to help small agriculturists, village and cottage industries, retailers, artisans, the self-employed person through loans and advances at concessional rates of interest. Banking is being used to subserve the national policy objective. स्टूडेंट देखिए, इसके एडवांटेज हैं कुछ एडवांटेजेस ऑफ कॉमर्शियल बैंक. नंबर 1, फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस. कॉमर्शियल बैंक का और क्या है? फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस, वित्तीय सहायता देना. फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस टू प्रोवाइड बाय द कॉमर्शियल बैंक बाय वे ऑफ कैश क्रेडिट, ओवरड्राफ्ट, loans and advances on discounting of bills exchange. Availability of short-term funds help business enterprise to overcome the problem of liquidity due to the time lag between current expenses. क्या सुविधा प्रदान फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस क्या दिया जाता है? इसे लोन देना, ओवरड्राफ्ट सुविधा, एडवांसेस. नेक्स्ट है एजेंसी सर्विसेज. Various agency services provided by commercial banks are prompt and reliable. For all these services, bank charge only a nominal fee or commission. Trade and industries get the benefit of these services available at a reasonable charge. Next is attractive rate of interest. Banks offer attractive rate of interest for saving by the public, which help to mobilize funds for lending and investment. Banks encourage the habit of thrift among people and attract deposit, whereby scattered household saving of people are pooled and made available for productive purposes. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4, जनरल यूटिलिटी सर्विसेज। जनरल यूटिलिटी मीन्स जैसे एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ बिल्स, एक्सचेंज, प्रोवाइडिंग लोकल फैसिलिटी एक्सेट्रा, ये जनरल सर्विसेज में आते हैं। मेनली जनरल यूटिलिटी सर्विसेज आर अवेलेबल टू द पब्लिक प्रोवाइडर्स सच एज एक्टिंग एज रेफरी, accepting bills of exchange, providing local facility, etc. These are of great advantage in the meeting recurrent as well as occasional needs of business firms and individuals. Number 5, provide documentary proof. Money deposited in commercial banks can be withdrawn on demand by check. Payment can also be made by check. Thus, business firms are not required to maintain large cash balances with them. They are also not required to make large payment in cash. Moreover, payment by check provide documentary proof of the transaction. So next or last, smooth functioning of foreign trade. Foreign trade cannot be carried on smoothly without banking services. Banks receive and make payment, provide credit and deal in foreign exchange. Most commercial banks currently have separate foreign exchange division. स्टूडेंट, आज हमने जो लास्ट लेक्चर में कमर्शियल बैंक के फंक्शन बचे हुए थे वो डिस्कस किए और इसके एडवांटेज। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम इसके डिसएडवांटेज के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे और इसके स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कमर्शियल बैंक के बारे में। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।